3 days were amazing. They went so fast. It actually exceeded my expectations. I wasn't expecting to enjoy it this much. And I look forward for our next workshop.
I think so far it has been amazing. It's day 3 of the workshop, and it feels more of like I have been knowing them before workshop, and we have been friends before as well. Everyone is coming from diverse background, and it's just great how we all have just gelled in together in just 3 days of time.
They talk about the suppliers and how to maintain the model.
You know, the best thing I love about this MBA is you are mixing with people from everywhere, from different parts of the world, from different domain, from different industry, and you learn from them, you interact with them the whole day. I really love it. I've learned a lot from my colleagues, someone from finance, someone from environmental companies, someone from real estate. You ask them lots of questions and you learn a lot from them. It's amazing.
It's a brilliant experience being an international student here with other students in the university. It's amazing. Basically, I'm getting new exposure, new ideas from different cultures, from different experiences. It's basically opened up a lot of doors to me, and also I'm away far of my comfort zone. It's a new challenges every day, and it's basically it's open new methodologies to learn when you basically get yourself in such challenges.
Very interesting, actually. So the method of providing the information and the group assignment and the collaboration happened during the completing the assignment. It was really interesting and really informative.
Everybody was his objective and goal to add value to his career, as well as to understand the global network and connection, which is very, very, very win-win situation to understand the culture of the people and their mentality. From my perspective, I'm very, very glad to be a member of Manchester family, and I wish for all my fellows all the best in this workshop.
I believe it's not only about the learning, you learn as well from not only the tutors but from the people that you're working with. I had the pleasure to work with multiple teams during simulation and leading and managing in global environment. It was a great experience. I learned from my colleagues and I learned from my tutors. So I thought to come here actually, since travel is restricted nowadays, but alhamdulillah I managed to come.
It's been remarkable. I mean, I almost didn't come, but I'm so glad I made the decision to come. I've met some wonderful people. The experience itself, I mean, my lecturer was Professor Nicholas. He's been, really good. The experience working in a group under pressure. I thought I wouldn't be able to, meet up with the challenge, but it's been a wonderful experience. I've enjoyed every single bit of it, and I can't wait to come back for the next workshop.